This video is on how to file rectification request for tax credit mismatch correction. Whenever a return is filed by a taxpayer, it is processed by the Income Tax Department and its intimation is sent to the taxpayer under Section 143 subsection 1 based on the details disclosed by the taxpayers and the rules deployed by the Processing Center of Income Tax Department. In case, on receiving the intimation, if the taxpayer finds that there is an error on the face of the record, then the taxpayer can seek rectification of a mistake in such an order or intimation. This rectification can be filed under Section 154 of the Income Tax Act. The rectification request service is available to all taxpayers registered on the e-filing portal, registered ERI users, registered authorized signatories, or registered representative assessees if the taxpayer wants to engage one. The service is available only after logging in to the e-filing portal. Let us now look at the prerequisites of filing a rectification request for a tax credit mismatch. You should be a registered user on the e-filing portal with a valid user ID and a password. For registered taxpayers as well as for authorized signatories, representative assessees, they must have received an intimation under Section 143 subsection 1 of the Income Tax Act. In case the rectification request is filed by the ERI must have been added by using the My ERI service. Similarly, the ERI needs to add the taxpayer using the Add Client service and the ERI status should be active. There are categories of rectification requests. You can file a request for reprocess the return or for tax credit mismatch, return data correction offline. Let us now in this video look at filing a rectification request for tax credit mismatch correction. First of all, for filing a tax credit mismatch correction, we must identify if there is a tax credit mismatch in the relevant assessment year. In order to find out whether there is a tax credit mismatch or not, first of all, log into the e-filing portal using your valid user ID and password. Post login, go to the Services tab and click on Tax Credit Mismatch. Here you are required to select the assessment year for which you want to check the mismatch. You can check the mismatch for TDS claim amount or TCS claim amount. Wherever there is going to be a mismatch, the message will show there is a mismatch. If there is not going to be any mismatch, then the message will be tax credit claimed is fully matched with the tax credit available in 26AS. Please note that if there is a mismatch in the TDS, you need to check from your TDS certificate. If there is a mismatch, please inform the deductor responsible for deducting the TDS. The deductor can file a revised TDS return, else you can file a rectification request. In case there is a tax credit mismatch with respect to advance tax or self-assessment tax, you can check your Form 26AS for the relevant period. If the challan details are correctly entered in the income tax return, you may file a rectification request under tax credit mismatch. If the challan details are not correctly entered in the income tax return, you would be required to file a rectification request under the category Return Data Correction, which is available both online as well as offline. In case you want to file the tax credit mismatch correction, first of all, log into the e-filing portal using your valid user ID and password. Post login, you are required to go to the Services section and click on Rectification. On the rectification page, please click on New Request. On the new request page, your PAN will be auto-filled. You are required to select whether you are filing a rectification for income tax or for wealth tax. Select the assessment year from the drop-down menu and click on Continue button. Please note that the rectification is available only for orders passed by CPC under Section 143 subsection 1, read with Section 154 of the Income Tax Act. You are required to go to the Tax Credit Mismatch Correction tab. On the tax credit mismatch correction page, you can edit or delete the information provided. If you need to edit or delete a schedule, then select the schedule and then click on Edit or Delete. You are advised to please re-enter all the entries without any mistake in the schedule. Select the checkbox for which the data needs to be corrected and re-enter all the entries without any mistake. And then click on the Continue button to submit the request. After successful submission, a success message will appear along with the rectification reference number. Please keep a note of the same for future reference. Filing a rectification request for tax credit mismatch is very easy. For further details, you can visit our website